In Module 6, we're getting a little bit caught up. We're going to do two tasks this time, task number 1 and task number 5. That'll go into our school contextual analysis. In task number 1, you're asked to locate and identify school-based council policies for the school that you're observing, the one that you do your guided walkthrough with. Now remember, our idea here is that the way this would really be done is you're just looking at the same school all the time. You assess the community, that's the one you do your walkthrough with, that's the school district whose board material you get, I mean, all that stuff. We do realize in this case that that could be broken up a bit. But the idea here is to identify school-based decision-making councils for the school that you're studying. And then you're asked to select one policy and explain the potential impact that that policy might have on individual students. So as you do that, think about the different kinds of students that are in the school. Would a policy affect a 6th grader differently than a 1st grader? A girl differently than a boy? A student that was on free lunch differently than a student who wasn't? Or kids of different kinds of abilities, might that policy impact them differently? Give that some thought. We're also going to ask you in task number 5 to locate council agenda and minutes. And again, as I've looked at websites from different schools, some of these are easier to find than others. Select one agenda item and briefly explain its impact on individual students or on you as a teacher is the last part of that assignment. So for EDF 103 in this module, we're going to do the 2 tasks. And still in CED 100, our walkthroughs are going on, so there's no additional material there yet.